Is TCL Smart TV good for gaming? Let's find out. Yes, TCL Smart TVs are a solid choice for gamers on a budget. Many models feature 4K resolution, low input lag, and HDR support, providing sharp visuals and responsive gameplay. Some higher-end TCL TVs also offer features like Auto Low Latency Mode, ALLM, and a 120Hz refresh rate, making them suitable for next-gen consoles like the PlayStation 5 and Xbox Series X. The Roku TV platform ensures easy access to gaming apps like Twitch or YouTube, while the overall affordability of TCL TVs makes them an attractive option for gamers who want quality without overspending. However, TCL TVs may not match the superior brightness, contrast, or motion handling of premium brands like Samsung or LG. For casual or mid-level gaming, TCL is a great value. But if you're a competitive gamer seeking top-tier performance, you might want to explore higher-end options. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to this channel. Thanks.